Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to highlight text in Canva. First, you need to open Canva. You can either choose application or website. I am continuing with website. Now go to your search bar, then type in www.canva.com, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of Canva. Now here make sure that you are logged into your Canva account. After this, you can continue with your previous project or you can create a new design by clicking on Create a Design option on the left. With this, select a design. I am going on with Presentation. Click on Text from left panel. With this, enter a text. After you enter the text, select your text. Now, click on Effects option present on the top menu. With this, scroll down, then choose Background option. After you do this, you can see here you can adjust the roundness of the highlight. Similarly, you can adjust the spread of the highlight. With this, you can also adjust the transparency of the highlight. Now here you can also change the color of your highlight. For this, click on the color that is given. Then select the color that you want. The highlight text will be changed into another color that you have added. Here you can see my text has been highlighted. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.